learn subtraction. Three minus 1 equals 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Let's have a quick revision. 3 butterflies minus 1 butterfly equals 2 butterflies. 6 flowers minus 3 flowers equals 3 flowers. 2 bowls minus 1 bowl equals 1 bowl. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.